All right, so now we're going to finish up the last of our sheets. We have 5 sheets down here in the bottom corner. The first floor plan room layout, first floor plan dimensions, elevations, schedules, electrical. All right, so on the first floor room layout, you should just have generally just the room layouts, areas. This one's fully dimensioned, shows all the furniture and everything. Elevations, currently you might have your section, your exterior wall section there. I haven't really finished mine out, just kind of showed you that. And then schedules, we have the room schedule, and then we have our electrical plan. So I need to finish out particularly the elevations. So we'll call this, so if we edit the name, it should be sections and elevations. And so what we need to do is we need to clean up our east, north, south, and west elevations. So click on those. So first off, you need to drag the view range in closer to it. And you need to rescale them through work. I've noticed that it's 1/16 equals a foot is the best one to use. Turn off the view range. Bring that in. All right. Do that for all of them. So again, drag in the view range. Remove it. Set it to 1/16 equals a foot. And then drag these in. If your text is overlapping each other, you click on the text, click on the zigzag button, and then drag it down a little bit. That way you can actually see all of it. All right, do that for all of them. Drag that a little closer still. Okay. And one more for the west. Change it to 1/16 of a foot. And then adjust this. All right, so now we should be good to go. So if we go to our sections and elevations, we can drag our east, our north, south, and west all into one plan. And then your section view here, if I go to that, your scale factor might be something more appropriately at 1/16 equals a foot. Let's go back and take a look. Nope, other way around. So I want to make it larger. 3/16. I think that's what it was. So maybe 1/4 inch. Possibly larger again. So we'll go to 3/8 of an inch. All right, and then, yeah, it's probably the elevation or the scale factor that you have it at. If this is down here, you don't want that. You want it up here. And you typically don't want to have the section box visibility on. All right, drag that up a bit further. Okay, and you'll have your text all finished out. Schedules, you need to put in a door and window schedule in addition to the room schedule. So to do that, you have to go to Analyze, Schedule and Quantities. For the window schedule, you scroll all the way to the bottom, Window, say OK. So the information about the windows we want to include are the family. We want to include the type. We want to include the height, the width, the sill height, and then the rough opening and information, so rough height and width. To organize it, we want to organize sort by, so the sorting and grouping tab, family, type, and height, and then width. Uncheck itemize every instance. Say OK. All right, so that's the different types of windows I have in mind. All right, and then we also want to put in a door schedule. So again, analyze, schedule and quantities. Scroll down to doors. Say OK. And then again, it's family, type, height, width. There's no sill height here, so it's just rough width and height. Go to sorting, so family, type, height, width. Uncheck itemize every instance, say OK. All right, so there's the different types of doors I have in mind. And that should be it. So now we can go to the schedules tab, or our plan, and drag the window schedule and the door schedule. So now those plans are done. The last thing we need to do is a cover page. So go to sheet, right click, say new sheet, 11 by 17, say OK. And we will rename it a 100 cover page. And you go to your 3D view. So you want to clean up your 3D view a little bit. Turn off your section box. Hide your, shouldn't hide it, hide your elevations in view. All right, and it's your call. Do you want the outside view? Do you want it, if you want to turn your section box on and have it cut into your house a little bit so you can kind of see, part of your house? It's kind of up to you how you want this part to be. So if you'd rather have it be something like this, and then kind of rotate up. If that's the view of your house that you want, then do that. And then uncheck section box. So I guess you need the section box turned on in order to actually view into it like this. All right, and we'll see if this works. So I'll go to cover page, 3D view. All right, there you have it. And we'll see. So if I go back to 3D view and uncheck the section box, let's see, will this turn that off? And then if I go back here, what's it look like? Okay. So again, it's your kind of call, whatever you want, however you want the 3D view. And now you need to go ahead and print each one of these, the final versions of each of them, and submit that. And that's your final submission for this project.